Friends, today I will be discussing about a lot serious topic, that is hematuria. Hematuria means blood during urination or blood in urine. See, lot of clients or sometime even you may notice, when dog passes urine, there will be blood mixed in that. It is a serious issue and we need to find out why it is there. See, there may be lot of reason. In young dogs, generally it is because of UTI infection, that is urinary tract infection, which may be because of bacterial origin, and for that a simple antibiotic course done by your doctor will solve the issue. Why this bacterial infection happens? Bacterial infection generally happens when your pet drinks infected water, that is sometimes your pet may drink water from tap water, and that may also cause UTI infection. So, you have to be very careful when you are giving water. See, other reason may be stones. Stones may be there in kidney, stones may be there in ureter, and stones during in any place in urinary tract may cause bleeding, and that comes during urination. Other common reason is thrombocytopenia, that is low platelets. In body, low platelets may happen because of some autoimmune disease, or in case of tick fever, when there is a serious tick fever and it is chronic, you have got low platelets, and low platelets causes bleeding during urination. So, that is one issue which you have to diagnose. Other thing is tumor, cyst in kidney, transveneral tumor, a lot more reasons. See, any part of kidney, if you got any tumor development or any cyst development, you have got any tumor in penile area, then you might have blood in urine. So, these are the reason, mainly because of that you will have bleeding in urination. One more thing we cannot ignore in young animals, because of sexual aggression, that is sometime they become so aggressive sexually that they masturbate, and during masturbation they damage their gland penis, and from there also sometime you find bleeding. So, these are the reasons your dog may have blood in urine. So, symptoms, mostly there will be burning sensation. So, even after passing urine, your dog may stand there for few minutes, and there may be pollakiuria, that is more frequent urination. How to diagnose it? Your vet may prescribe you X-ray, your vet may prescribe you ultrasound, your vet may prescribe you some blood test. In blood test, KFT and CBC may be done, where you can find out TLC, high TLC. If it is high TLC, may be because of bacterial infection. If it is low platelets, maybe because it is because of tick fever or autoimmune disease. And if there is a kidney infection, that will come in KFT. During ultrasound, you may find cyst or tumor that may be visible during examination, and that is how you will find out. How to manage it? Because treatment part will be done by your vet. You must not try to treat it, because it is a serious disease and may go in wrong direction. So, mainly basically, if there is urinary tract infection, because dogs eat more of non-veg and take lot less water than what we consume. So, that is one more reason that their urine is more acidic. So, you have to give lot of water, give more water, because you are giving more protein diet, you are giving chickens, you are giving snacks, you are giving dog food, they are all full of proteins. So, you give lot of water, that will prevent this. Even in stone, for a stone there is no allopathic treatment for So, if it is a stone, you have to give lot of water along with some diuretics, and some homeopathic medicine, some Ayurvedic medicine is there that your vet may prescribe. Diet modification, there are kidney diets are available. For stones, there are stones diet are available, and during urine test, your doctor may find pH level of urine, and diet modification may be done accordingly. So, these are the things how your vet will treat your pet. And if it is thrombocytopenia, which comes in during complete blood count, and if it indicates tick fever, your pet may be treated for tick fever. So, you know, in anything, nothing is serious if it is properly diagnosed and you diagnose it as at early stage. It is very easy to treat, you know, hematuria cases. Thank you very much, dear. Thank you very much.